Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions. Match everything but letters and numbers. You have learned that you can use a shortcut to match alphanumerics using \w. A natural pattern you might want to search for is the opposite of alphanumerics. You can search for the opposite of \w with \w in uppercase. Note the opposite pattern uses a capital letter. This shortcut is the same as using caret in front of the whole pattern. We can see in example, we use shorthand regular expression and pass numbers and sentence in the match method, and in the result we can see no alphanumeric characters. Instead, everything beside that is there. Task for this challenge: use the shorthand character class \w to count the number of non-alphanumeric character in various codes and strings. So it will be \w in capitals and G for repeated count, and let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.